Hey friends, it's Wednesday, so I thought why not change our wax and check it out. I'm gonna use our cotton cleanups. You've seen me talk about these before. They are absolutely amazing. Just in case you don't believe me, watch this. So I've got my warmer here, my beautiful warmer, and I'm just gonna stick this in. Hopefully you can see that. This dish is a little bit different. It's not circular, so I'm just gonna kind of move this around. I like to do this a little bit, make sure I get all the wax out of there. Push through there. It is super duper 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 easy. And then looky there, wax. Isn't that amazing? And then, okay, so today I am going to try out, I've actually tried it out before, but I'm going to use it in the living room today. This is the scent of the month. It is called Pink Lemon Water. So it is on sale this month. It's a really nice, fresh smell. I really like it a lot. Pink Lemon Water. You can see the description on there. I should have broken it out before I started going live. That way I was ready. But looky there, you can do this one-handed. One-handed with 6 kids in the other room. They're just right around the corner. So you might hear them. But they know not to pop in. So they are good. All right. Anyways, that's it. Done. Boom. New scent. Easy peasy. Look, I didn't even know. I should have timed myself. What was that, like a minute or two? Anyways, hope you guys are having a wonderful Wednesday. And don't forget to change your wax. Let me know if you want to try out the new scent of the month. Talk to you later.